Hey guys, to export your a Base44 project, open the project dashboard, right? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna see right here the export code icon. So press it, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and press export project as a zip file. So as you can see right here, we need to upgrade in order to access the zip file, or basically upload the zip file. So upgrade your plan and enjoy using the zip code, right? And once you export a zip file, you need to know that zip file is only available on paid plans, Pro, Elite, or Enterprise, while the GitHub export option may also be plan dependent if you are planning to use it on GitHub. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.